So dito kami nag-stay sa City House Ariosa. Maglalakad-lakad lang tayo, no? Kailangan din natin magpa-araw kasi sinisipon tayo. It's a really beautiful day and I don't really want to waste it kahit nahihirapan tayo, no? Minom na ako ng BioFlu, grabe yung antok ko. Kaya pala sabi ko parang sedated ako na hayop. Anyway, hanap tayo ng siguro tatambay na coffee shop. Maybe someone selling ng mga non-coffee. Because I really just want to have tea right now. Ayan, so naka-order na tayo. Ang in-order natin is parang as it was, one of their milky creations. Dito tayo sa labas na para maaraw. And I'm not really feeling good. I hate the state that I am in now. Pero sayang naman kasi kung di tayo kumala dito. Pero here's paper and eye. Tinan nyo. And inside, pwede kayong umorder. And the good thing about Vietnam is that English friendly naman sila. Majority of nakausap namin is nag-English. However, there's still a gap na parang some phrases or some words is hindi nila naintindihan. So sometimes you just have to point. So yeah, I think you won't really have a really hard time pag pumunta kayo dito. At ito yung view natin currently. And the busy streets of Vietnam. And there's something calming about it, no? Kahit sobrang ingay, sobrang chaotic na mga motor. It's just the greens. There's so much greens, man. Na parang relaxing to the eye, no? Looks really good. Ito na yung order natin. Tapating natin. Very coffee yung taste na. And I don't drink coffee. Pero it's good. Masarap naman siya. Nakakatawa lang kasi yung initial order ko is hindi available. Tapos doon nga, nagka-misunderstanding kami. Sabi ko, how about this one? How about this one? Tapos yung una kong tinuro, yan yung binigay nila sa akin. So tinuro ko lang naman siya to as if it's available or not. Then pinunch na nila. So ayun, ito. Pero masarap naman siya. I just don't really like coffee. Malakas yung coffee taste niya because of the affogato. Ayan. At ito na yung magaling nating asawa.
Alam mo, naka 1 million 300.
Wala na guys, wala nang pera.
Oh no. Ayoko na
dapat di kita binibigyan ng pera eh.
Pwede privacy doon.
Hindi ka tumawad.
Tumawag. Ito natawaran ko to, ayan. Saka, siyempre sports bra. Eh, panloob lang naman yan, so it's okay. Tapos bumili ako ng 4 na shirts. Ayan. Para sa mga ano. Ay, sira pa yung kape.
Magkano to? Magkano to?
200. Yan.
Right. Ngayon, we're on our way to Lotte Hotel Saigon. We will have a buffet. Kaya nag-book lang tayo ng Grab, no? Sobrang budget dito. Ito parang Manila Hotel. Medyo bougie yung ano natin, lunch natin. So, pinauna ko na si wife na kumuha ng food. At ayun nga, nasa poolside tayo. Ayan. Maganda rin din. Grabe, this opportunity is really big for me, no? I mean, we have the means to travel and to celebrate my birthday like on this scale, no, na bigla lang talaga namin binook. So I'm really grateful, especially to my wife, no, who really budgeted this and parang all expense paid now, no? And yeah, we'll enjoy this. So we're done with the Lotte Hotel, no? We're just walking to the mall. So far, okay naman yung trip natin today. The hotel buffet is pretty expensive, around 1,600 per head. But the amount of options, no, hindi ganun kasing wild, no, sa Philippines. So yeah, but still good. Maganda yung service nila. Now we're gonna walk for about 5 to 15 minutes dun sa next destination natin. So ito, so we're here na, Vincom Center. Ano na naman kaya ang bibili natin? Let's see. So marami din dito mga luxury brands. Parang same lang dun sa Saigon Center na pinuntahan natin. So let's go and check New Balance. So yun, almost same experience and same prices dun sa Saigon Center. So nothing really special. Check tayo ng Adidas, guys. Wala masyadong matingnan doon, but it's really interesting mall. Pero tatawid tayo sa kabila to check other things. I think this one's name is Parkson. So, pupunta tayo ng ABC Mart. Get tayo. Ang laki ng selection nila dito ng 530. So, this whole bunch. For the A6, marami dito, no? Nova Blast. So, ito yung 4. Leonardo ko. Nigel Nimbus. We're not sure kung nasa na kami, but there's this really big establishment na parang post office. Not sure. But ito, puro mga luxury, ano ulit, mga stores na nakita namin dito. Like AP, Dior, mga ganyan. Union Square daw to. Ayan. Union Square. Hindi pala tayo nag-fit check today, guys. Ito. Hawakan mo. Bidyan mo yata. O, diba? Luneta fit lang tayo ngayon. Which is parang ito din yung Luneta, guys. It's so alike. So, uwi muna tayo, guys. Kasi magcha-charge muna kami. Ha? Maya ulit. Hi guys, it's around 6 PM na dito sa Vietnam, no? So kanina we just walked home and took a rest, and now we're out again. But so far, I'm feeling better. Pero yung sipon natin is liquid na, so medyo nakakasagabal na siya, no? With our travel. Right now, I'm craving for a bowl of pho. Sana may makita tayong masarap, no? But yeah, let's see where this brings us. Ayan, so we booked na our Grab to Ho Thi Khai Flower Market. Right now, it's really busy. Tignan nyo kung gaano traffic. So that's the situation right now. Pero nakabook ba rin tayo? So tayo na lang na. So andito na tayo sa Ho Thi Khai. Ayan. Nahanap tayo ng mga street food dito. Siyempre, kakain tayo. At puro flower siya, no? Ayan. It's actually a flower market. I think we'll see more flowers here. Pero we're here for the food. Kakain tayo. It's giving dangwa, guys. Ayan, puro flowers, bulaklak. Ayan. Itong part na to parang reminiscent of Divisoria naman. Kung alam niyo yung mga pasipasilyo, yung mga ganyan. So it's a mix. Pero definitely gives the vibe of parang Manila. Like yung Dangwa, Divisoria, yung Carriedo, yung mga ganyan. So dito tayo hanap ng food sa Dilang. So just to the other side, Parang whole strip na siya ng mga kainan. Nahanap tayo ng pho. Kasi yun yung kinikrave natin. We found our spot pero walang pho. We saw the word pho and parang umupo lang kami kaagad. But apparently cheese stick yung full translation nun. Yung may nakalagay na pho, something. Kala ko yung pho na may sabaw. Dito kami in a very humble spot. Maraming foreigners dito, so let's see kung ano yung pinagkakaguluhan nila. So I think masarap naman. So ito yung rice paper something. Good. Yeah, no phone for today. Maybe later. Masarap dito guys yung mga fruit teas nila. And it's really cheap. Around 25k Vietnamese dong lang. Ilan yung 25k?
60 pesos.
So yun, 60 pesos yung ganun na kalaki. So ganun yung ano, ganun siya kamura guys. So sobrang sulit din ng mga yan. Mag-try naman tayo ng iba, no? Skewers. This is 20, 25, and 45.
Parang locals kami dito guys.
Thank you. So this is our order. And let's try the beef. Ang ano siya? Dahon talaga. Lasa siyang herb. So it's wrapped in herb na beef. Let's try the pork one. Okay. That one's a winner. This one's chicken. Let's try.
Ito pinaka-favorite ko sa tatlo.
Yan.
Sa tatlo, ito pinaka-gusto ko.
Ayan. So, ang dami pa dito guys, pero nabusog na kami after 2 meals. Ayun. So, if you want a variety of street foods, punta kayo dito, no? It's bustling, no? So, ayan. Ito yung sign niya. Coffee Kai. So, nag-book na kami paalis dun sa flower market. And we're headed to Co-op Mart. Let's go shopping for some pasalubong. Ayan. So, ayan. Tapos na kami mag-shopping sa Co-op Mart. Inabot kami ng 3.7 million Vietnamese dong. Kita nyo, ayan. Ayan, talaga. Hindi na ako nakapag-film sa loob kasi pinaiwan yung gamit namin. But the staff are really friendly. Kahit di sila nag-i-English, okay sila. Mabait. Close out natin to sa apartment. Then, some final thoughts about this day. Yan. So, day 2, we are back in the apartment. Some day 2 thoughts. It's been 2 days since we've been interacting with Vietnamese people, no? And so far, nasabi namin na warm sila. Although, sabi ko nga kanina, meron mga gaps, no, sa pagsasalita. The language barrier is there. Pero, they ensure to, you know, try to respond to us. The cafes are all around. Kahit saan ka pumunta, merong cafe. That's one appeal to the visitors, no? Kasi yung iba dun, mga mahilig sa kape. And they do parang itineraries around those cafes. Number 3, siguro yung kalat. Compared sa Philippines, no? Mas makalat yung Philippines, unfortunately. Vietnam is also, sabi nila, considered a third world country. Pero parang mas makalat sa Pinas. Mas maamoy, mas mabaho. Just mukha ng tough, puro tain ng aso, mga ganyan. Puro basura, puro plastic. So, on that area, parang lamang talaga yung Vietnam. Transportation, sobrang okay no transportation dito. So, madali mag-book ng Grab. And kung gusto mo naman mag-walk, sobrang lapit lang ng mga locations, no, ng mga key locations. Napansin namin na parang mga 1 kilometer away lang, 2 kilometers away, which sometimes we choose to walk na lang, no. Pero pag siguro mga 10 to 20 minutes na lakad, ginagrab na namin kasi minsan may dala kami or pagod na ganyan. But if you choose to walk, you can easily walk around the city, no? Ayun, so wala na akong masabi, pero tomorrow we'll have more observation siguro. Maglalakad-lakad ulit tayo around Vietnam and I really enjoyed this time, no? So thank you and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!